Guarany's 4-nozzle boom attaches to the lance of a backpack sprayer and is designed to be used in front of the operator as they walk along, giving a 2.5 metre wide spray coverage. This allows for large areas to be treated quickly. No tools are required to assemble the 4-nozzle boom, as it comes with all of the components you need, which are 2 booms, a T-piece and 2 adapters. Firstly, insert one adapter into the T-piece. Taking the adapter end, attach the T-piece onto one boom and use the thumb nut to secure. Next, insert the second adapter into the T-piece. Attach the second boom to the T-piece and secure using the thumb nut. Lastly, attach the boom onto the spray lance and secure using the thumb nut. The 4-nozzle boom is now assembled.